So in this current situation with SNAP being frozen for November, I want to say to you people out there, especially black people and some brown people, relying on the system, whether you're on social assistance or not, is dangerous for your own survival. What do I mean by that? A lot of black people don't even know how to hunt or farm. Don't know how to. Even if you have a job, you rely on that check and you rely on the supermarket to provide food for you. You don't know how to go out and fish. Don't know how to go out and hunt. Don't know how to go out and buy chickens and, do what you got to do to prepare your own chickens at home. Don't know how to buy seeds and plant, crop, farm, none of that. Now, there are more white people on social assistance than black people. Let's make that clear. And that's not to shame or demonize them. People that are in need are in need. I only say that because a lot of people on social media got it twisted. All of these people coming out speaking negatively on people that are on public assistance seem to be laser focused on black women. This whole baby mother, ghetto queen with a whole bunch of kids and no baby daddies. That's usually the image that comes to mind when people think about women on social assistance. That being said, here's another thing I want you to think about. When you say get off your ass and get a job, what jobs out there are going to pay some of these single mothers, whether they're black or white or Hispanic or whatever, enough money to afford the rent today and afford childcare? What job is going to pay them that? Even if they have a degree, because people with degrees are struggling. I was a call center supervisor. Some of my agents have master's degrees answering to me with a bachelor's. So before you judge people, I want you to ask yourself common sense questions. What job out there is going to pay one of these single mothers or single parents enough to pay today's rent, pay today's food prices, and afford childcare? Forget how they got there. They're there, right? And many of these people worked. So this money is for them. They worked and put that time in, right? Some people lost their jobs, especially this year with 300,000 black women losing their job, over 300,000. And now the trend is past that now. Everyone's losing their job now. White women, black men, Hispanic, everyone's losing their job now. But back to black people, the mistake that many of us made, or many of you made, was not knowing how to farm and not knowing how to hunt. And now it's like when you react, it's too late by the time you react. That's something you should have prepared for a long time ago. What I say to you now is find something to invest in to bring you extra money. Listen, invested in passive income sometime won't give you $1 billion today. It could be a slow grind. But the good thing about passive income is you only invest once and then just sit back and let your money grow. And I'm speaking from experience, right? I invested in crypto, and when I invested in crypto, I didn't think much of it, but I just sat back and didn't touch it. When I invested in stocks and bonds, I didn't touch it. I sat back and looked. I was able to buy 2 rental properties from that investment. So anyway, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'd love to know what you think.